In this video, I'm going to show you how to add balance to Exness demo account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up a web page and then go to exness.com and sign into your account. Now, once we sign into our account, it's going to take us to our account dashboard. Now we need to go ahead and click onto my account. To the right of it, click on demo, and now choose that demo account you'd like to add more funds into or add balance. So for this demonstration, I'm going to add more funds to this. So I want to change this from 500 AUD to 1,000. So to the right of this, we've got trade and set balance. So what we can do is set the balance here. So I'm going to type in 1,000 and then click on set balance, and this should update in real time. Yep, there we go. So if I go ahead and click on the trade button, go to the Exness terminal, it should show we've got $1,000 here to play with in our demo cash. So here it is here on the top right. Yep, demo standard 1,000 AUD, and that's what I've set it for.